All right, what do we write for the time interval of the collision? How do we find the time interval? Well, the time interval is just how long the collision lasted for. So here's my collision. There's the max force right here. There's the peak. And then the force eases up, and then the collision's over. And I'm not worried about any extra stuff over here. In fact, if my graph isn't perfect, I'm just going to stop it sort of where this triangle will sort of end. So right around here. So what is the time interval? We started experiencing a force at around 2.56 seconds. And then time is passing. We're in this collision right there. We're at the peak force of the collision. And then at this moment in time, 2.70 seconds, the collision ends. So the time interval starts here at 2.56 and ends here at 2.7. Start, end. Look at this. If I hit this integral tool right here, integral tool, I get that area, which tells me the impulse. But if I look at the x range, that really means the time range, because time's here on the x-axis. And the time shows me again, I started at 2.56 seconds, and my collision was over at 2.7 seconds. So how long was that? If we start at 2.56 seconds, and we end at 2.7 seconds, how much time is in between those two numbers? Well, I always do a difference. I take the final time and I subtract the initial time. I do a little subtraction. That's what difference means in math. And a little long subtraction here, however you do it. Boom, boom, and good. I have found the time interval. It took 0.14 seconds, a fraction of a second, for the collision to occur. So that's how you do it. Find your start and end time, and then find the difference, and that will tell you how long the collision lasted. That will tell you the time interval of the collision.